Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Oxo pastry brush is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any kitchen, especially when it comes to achieving that perfect glaze on your baked goods or evenly distributing marinades on your grilled favorites. This particular model from Oxo aims to elevate your cooking experience with its thoughtful design and practical features, promising a more enjoyable and efficient time spent in the kitchen, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out. Number 5. Rwm Basting Brush Set. Easily apply your favorite oils, butter, and sauces directly to your food. This tool helps you lock in delicious flavors for every bite. Experience comfortable grilling with its ergonomic stainless steel handle. It's designed for extended use without causing fatigue. Our silicone brush head is a single, durable piece that won't shed bristles. It effectively holds and applies oils, marinades, and juices. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup with removable silicone heads that are dishwasher safe. A convenient hanging hook makes storage simple. Perfect for both indoor kitchen cooking and outdoor grilling. Use it for basting, marinating, and applying oils for baking. What we like? This one offers a comfortable, ergonomic grip for extended use. Its bristle-free silicone head ensures no shedding and easy cleaning. If you're looking for a robust tool for frequent grilling and marinating, this is a great choice. What people say. The brush is easy to clean and does not shed bristles. It is perfect for basting and glazing baked goods. Number 4. Oxo Good Grip Stainless Steel Dough Blender. Achieve perfect results with our innovative dough blender. Its sharp stainless steel blades effortlessly cut butter and shortening into your dry ingredients, making baking a breeze. Experience superior comfort with its broad, soft, and non-slip handle. It's designed to absorb pressure, ensuring a comfortable grip even during extended use. Crafted with durable stainless steel, this tool is built to last. The blades are designed for optimal performance and longevity in your kitchen. Cleanup is a snap. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a quick and easy wash. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your baked goods. From cookies to pies, this essential baking tool will help you create delicious treats with ease. Enjoy professional results right in your own home. What we like? It features sharp stainless steel blades perfect for cutting butter into dry ingredients. The comfortable, non-slip handle makes it easy to use. If you are a baker who frequently works with butter and shortening, this tool will streamline your prep work. What people say. The brush is very easy to clean. The brush is very easy to use and the silicone bristles are great for basting. The brush is well made and durable. Number 3. Oxo Good Grips Natural Pastry Brush. Introducing the Oxo Good Grips Natural Pastry Brush. Its natural boar bristles are designed to retain softness and pliability, ensuring a gentle touch for all your baking needs. This brush features a sealed bristle base that effectively keeps food and liquids out. This ensures a more hygienic experience during use. The thoughtfully angled head is designed to keep the bristles off countertops. This prevents mess and keeps your workspace cleaner. Crafted with durable plastic, this pastry brush is built to last. Its practical design makes it a reliable tool for any kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze with this brush. It is completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after baking. What we like? This brush uses natural boar bristles that retain softness and pliability. The sealed bristle base prevents leakage, and the angled head keeps bristles off surfaces. If you need a reliable brush for delicate pastry work and sauces, this is an excellent option for precise application. What people say. The brush has a good grip and is easy to hold. It is easy to clean and the bristles do not fall out. The brush is perfect for basting and glazing. Number 2. Oxo Outdoor Grilling Basting Brush. Introducing the Oxo Outdoor Grilling Basting Brush. Its high heat-resistant silicone bristles are perfect for basting, whether you're cooking on or off the grill. The patented bristle design ensures it holds onto any kind of sauce, allowing for even and consistent application every time. With an angled brush head, it stays clean between uses, preventing messy drips and keeping your workspace tidy. The long handle provides a safe distance from the heat, protecting your hands while you grill. This basting brush is designed to make your grilling experience easier and more enjoyable. Get perfect results with every use. What we like. It's designed with high heat-resistant silicone bristles that effectively hold sauces. The long handle keeps your hands safely away from the heat. If you're a grill enthusiast who wants a brush that can handle high temperatures and apply marinades evenly, this is the one for you. What people say. The Oxo Pastry Brush has a wide brush head that evenly distributes butter, oil, or egg wash. Its silicone bristles are heat-resistant and do not shed, making it durable for repeated use. The brush features an integrated bench scraper edge, useful for cleaning up excess dough or batter. Number 1. Barbecue Sauce Bottle with Basting Brush, Orange. Introducing the all-in-one silicone bottle with a built-in brush. It's designed for grill masters and home chefs alike, making it perfect for applying oils, sauces, and marinades with ease. Simply squeeze the bottle to dispense your favorite sauces through the integrated brush. Its flexible design ensures smooth and even coating on all your food, making cooking and grilling a breeze. Crafted from 100% BPA-free, food-grade silicone, this tool is heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You can confidently use it with all your sauces and marinades for direct application on meats and vegetables. This lightweight gadget is dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. Its high-quality construction ensures durability for countless indoor cooking and outdoor barbecue sessions. Packaged beautifully, it makes a perfect gift for any barbecue enthusiast or home chef. It's a versatile tool that simplifies your cooking experience. We stand by the quality of our innovative cooking tools. This product comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring your satisfaction and making cooking effortless and enjoyable. What we like. This product combines a sauce bottle and a basting brush into one convenient tool. It dispenses sauce easily for even coating and is made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone. If you love grilling and want a mess-free, efficient way to apply marinades and sauces, this all-in-one gadget is perfect. What people say. The Oxo Pastry Brush has a wide brush head that covers a large surface area quickly. The silicone bristles are flexible and don't absorb liquids, making it easy to clean. The brush has a comfortable grip and a built-in rest to keep surfaces clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.